President Donald Trump has vetoed a resolution to end the U.S.'s involvement in the Saudi-led war in Yemen. Congress sent the Yemen War Powers Resolution to the president's desk earlier this month. It aimed to end the U.S.'s involvement in a 4-year war that has killed thousands of people. President Trump said in a statement to the Senate on Tuesday that the resolution is an unnecessary, dangerous attempt to weaken his constitutional authorities, endangering the lives of American citizens. It marks the second time he has used his presidential powers to veto a resolution. As Newsy has previously reported, the resolution's passage in the Senate and House did not reach a level of support that would enable lawmakers to override the president's veto.